When it comes to anti-aging, people often search for miracle supplements or exotic superfoods, but the foundation of long-term health is much simpler: balance. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are the three pillars of nutrition, and while diet fads tend to elevate one while demonizing another, the truth is that longevity thrives on harmony. Among these three, carbohydrates deserve to stand at the center of the table, not as the villain, but as the star, while proteins and fats provide critical support roles. Together, they form a team that keeps the body youthful, resilient, and ready to take on the challenges of aging. Carbohydrates are the body's preferred fuel, powering everything from muscle contractions to brain function. The rapid absorption of glucose makes it the most efficient energy source we have, allowing us to maintain physical activity and mental clarity without constantly tapping into slower and less efficient energy systems. But carbs also play an anti-aging role by sparing protein. When we eat enough carbohydrates, our bodies don't have to break down muscle protein for energy, which helps preserve lean body mass, a key factor in staying strong and independent as we age. For anyone hoping to age gracefully, that's a priceless benefit. Proteins, meanwhile, serve as the architects of repair and renewal. They provide the amino acids needed to rebuild tissues, produce enzymes, and maintain immune defenses. However, proteins don't work optimally when eaten in isolation. Without enough carbohydrates, the body may burn protein for energy, leaving fewer building blocks for these vital processes. In this sense, carbohydrates are the protectors of protein, allowing it to focus on its true job: maintenance and repair. This synergy between carbs and protein is one of the quiet secrets of longevity. Fats, too, are essential allies. Healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish support hormone production, joint lubrication, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. But here again, balance is key. A diet overloaded with fat while lacking in carbs may leave the body sluggish, while a carb-centered diet with moderate healthy fats helps keep inflammation in check and supports overall metabolic health. In fact, certain fats and certain carbohydrates, think whole grains with olive oil or beans with avocado, combine beautifully to stabilize blood sugar, support heart health, and reduce oxidative stress, all of which contribute to slower aging. Looking at long-lived populations around the world reinforces this principle of macronutrient balance. The Okinawans relied heavily on sweet potatoes, carbs, but also enjoyed soy-based proteins and small amounts of healthy fats from fish. Mediterranean diets feature whole grains and legumes as staples, complemented by fish, olive oil, and modest portions of dairy. These cultures didn't choose one macronutrient over the others. They arranged them in balance, with carbohydrates at the core, and thrived into old age. Their example shows us that the science of longevity doesn't have to be extreme. It's about moderation and synergy. The danger of modern diet culture is that it often promotes extremes: ultra-high protein regimens, fat-centric ketogenic plans, or carb-phobic strategies that leave people feeling deprived and metabolically unstable. These approaches may produce short-term results, but often compromise long-term health. The human body evolved as an omnivorous machine, optimized for mixed diets where carbohydrates provide the spark, proteins handle repair, and fats manage regulation. Ignoring that evolutionary design only accelerates aging instead of slowing it. If the goal is not just to live long but to live well, then carbohydrates should be embraced as the foundation, supported by adequate protein and healthy fats. It's not about choosing sides in a macronutrient war. It's about building peace between them. That harmony keeps muscles strong, minds sharp, hearts resilient, and cells protected. In the end, the true anti-aging recipe isn't found in eliminating carbs. It's in celebrating their partnership with protein and fat, creating a diet that sustains energy, repairs the body, and nourishes the spirit for years to come.